Okay.
Dr. Ferman Joaquin Gabisan, Honorable Richard Benedict V. Ugario, Honorable Manuel M. Gabisan, Engineer Jose M. Vizcara, Catherine A. Fabular, Jessica Bosol, Mr. Rinaldo Casinillo, and Representative Mr. Moises Marania. Mr. Raul J. Mercado, Mr. Antonio B. Slanaga, Honorable Cecil Sagredo, Mr. Romeo C. Fermano, Mr. Antonio Suarez, Mr. Suarez, a representative from Robinson Retulia, Honorable Via Gisela Zamora, Attorney Reynolds C. Arpon, Director Lirio D. Ilaw Oxemar, our representative. So, Mr. Chair, out of the 32 expected participants, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,